Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Everything for you, Jella.
So, Jella.
Yeah.
You charge them.
Let me take it down, man. Way up the man.
How much for a bed there?
No man, I will name the big game. Look on the same thing,
What, the grill is that?
on the next side, yeah.
Oh.
I'm ready now. Hey, you have some pan, you have some pan somewhere here. Some coconut tea. Yeah man, so you go up there and climb it. Man, like the man, he go somewhere and come back here. After the man, big sign I'm back.
This is that one there.
Slide on crush that. Yeah, you have man jump out. See? No, boss, that.
I love big man.
Yeah, red and them.
Yeah, bigger than them one there. Nah, nothing.
Supposed to make sure time I come to the climb tree.
They make me scared. Come on, I cheat.
They look scary, man. Green. See them here? How is that enough? When they get them on them guys, you know, and them so like
Well, good morning, well on them whip up my camera. Good morning. Good morning guys, so we're here, you know. It's another morning here, you know, helping out Cranberry and the family, you know, because I must say we're not far away from finishing off, so we have some small bits and bobs to deal with, so probably the next time we come back up here, you know, after this trip, you know, let's see how it is today, you know, because probably we can finish off everything, but the work is moving smoothly, you know, when the team is here and everything, you know, Baja and everyone, well, not everyone, you know, a fraction of the team is here. So today on the menu, you know, they requested the pumpkin dumpling again. So you know, so once they request pumpkin dumpling, me have to go draw back feet again. You know, with some brown stew chicken for them, you know, with some sliced fish on the side. You know, cause once they request it, I have to bring it, you know, so that's the request for today. You know, that's going to be in the menu. And we have Baja here, we have Wormy, we have Totti Grand, we have Wow Chef, we have Jenna, we have Orius. So you have Jenna there, you have Orius there. You know, you have Wow Chef right there. You have the prefect right there. You have Daniel. And you have Wormy. And you have Totti Grand. And we have the chicken flicking. So we're going to do the pumpkin dumpling, you know. Yeah. So the wormy, the ground chef I got taste the pumpkin. Yeah?
Whether they are no key, no.
Huh?
Whether they are.
Shelter is here, man.
Country there, you have to make the side.
And a country there. When you call up a country?
Yeah, I mean.
Country.
I mean, a country this is me.
Yeah, we in St. Andrew. Yeah. We in St. Andrew.
Once you come out of Kingston, a country. Yeah, and bush and used to them valley, yeah.
And a
in a city, not used to them soil. Yeah, we call this country. Yeah.
And a country, they're right.
Kingston and St.
They're right uptown Kingston.
Yeah, Upper Kingston.
Upper Kingston, yeah. Right, Upper Kingston.
Upper St.
Be a man as me have a man, you know. I listen to I wait him up for wait. Now be a man as me have a man from what day, man. You know what, man? I think you see when I move from move.
Grandman, 90, grandman, me growing. Alright. Grandman, you can't waste the water, you know.
The Akeynote.
Not tell us the I big night.
This is a nice tonight, no? They got nice in that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me used to eat them serious stuff.
I want to tell you, say bad for cook season rice, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Akeynote.
Dash them, dash it, you know.
That's them say eat.
No.
Never know.
We use it, you know. But you have a time.
Make the aisle. I eat at the aisle.
I eat at the aisle, you know.
Eat at the aisle, you know.
Great name, Akeynote, them say name.
Yeah. But don't put that in the season rice, man. Yes, man. Murder.
Hey, alright, you have to lower the man, you know. You see, they make the man God.
Let's cut out that.
See, that's an important look, so get more side here. Put up and blend it up. Next one.
And me easy, and you easy.
Guys, we have a big coconut.
Mad.
The Akeynote, they call it. We're gonna also blend this up to put in the dumpling. They're nice. So we have these 10 size coconuts right here. So Baja, where you say one now? Where you say one?
3 times strip silver.
3 times strip silver.
Yeah, call it them one. We have put the way name there, down there. Down there, so you buy it. Me not the dirt up there, it's the Spanish brown.
That me that thing about one brown. Spanish brown name?
Yeah, Spanish brown.
They on the chart?
Yeah, man, they on the chart. Why you go down there and tell Spanish brown?
Don't know.
Yeah. But the bike now do it.
No aisle. Low sheen. Low sheen. Spragger, where you say you want? Down on the hardware.
Oh, the two sleeve
Two sleeve.
and the
pin.
The thinner with the pin.
Okay.
Oh, quarter thing.
A water pin,
Yeah, man.
Low sheen.
low sheet. But may I say,
So you still want thinner?
with the aisle one in the room,
Yeah.
remember we have a thinner.
You have some already?
Yeah, we have some, but
Yeah, man, deal.
You want some more?
when they even have some, we have a still one.
Yeah,
So
to go barge for this morning.
thinner out it,
Yeah.
it's more dry fast. And so we're signing on the room,
Yeah.
and the picnic them tell it.
Okay.
Anytime when them do so now.
So Baja, we now have to buy the Solitex them for the trip here next week.
No, man, you next
Next week, the Solitex.
buy them.
So the Spanish brown
Yeah.
and 2 silver strip.
No, 3.
3 silver strip. Alright guys, so I'm going to head to the hardware. Yeah, so I'm going to head to the hardware to get a nice quad paint. Yeah, to get another paint for paint the bottom of the down below the house where the pink is, you know, and it there where you see the rough part is. So Baja suggested we get the Spanish brown, you know, low sheen to put down there, and also roller sleeves and them thing there. So I'm heading back to the hardware and then come back before I start to cook. So meanwhile, poor chef and the guys are gonna do the ox out the coconut and cut it up till I get back and everything. So, and I think I might, yeah, I'm gonna also get white as well too for the Solitex. But Baja said we don't have to get the Solitex on this trip, so they're just gonna finish off the rest of the house, and the Solitex will be the last round inside the house, and then we'll paint the roofing after that. And then after that we'll focus on the tank for the outside, because he's going to also need a column as well too. He is going to need a column to put the tank on. So we're going to attack those. So step by step, you know, sooner and later everything will be alright. So thank you guys for the love and the support. You know, we'll continue putting the work in to get it over with. And that is it. That is the plan. So we got some sun, we got some clouds on the other side. You know, it's been like this. You know, the sun is very hot in the morning, and when it's so hot, you know, there's the rain. So I think we're gonna get some rain, as you can see. You know, some cloud coming in. So I guess we're gonna get some rain. Yeah, but it is good. Look up there. It is good. We're gonna get some rain. So let's get to the hardware now. All right. So let's pull up at the hardware.
Yeah, man, chef.
You want one of them tonight?
Yeah. Retail one, right? Yeah, one of those retail ones.
And 3 silver strip?
Yeah, tile strip. Tile strip. And 2 roller sleeve. And pay for the paint right here as well? A gallon?
Mix it?
Spanish brown. Am I going to mix it?
Is that our paint, right?
No, low sheen.
again.
Lotion, chef mix it over lotion. You want the Spanish brown.
Chef, go mix it.
Tell her to pick up the meal and just add it.
Huh?
Tell her to just pick up the bill and add it.
Okay. Ouch. So this is the Spanish brown. Alright guys, so I'm getting the Spanish brown, you know, in low sheen. So it's a mixed paint, you know, so they're gonna mix it and all of that. So you know, in Jamaica right now, a lot of paint where you see the colors then they're mixed, so that's why you see some unusual colors, because nowadays they're mixing them. You're not getting it straight, or you don't want it because they have a machine now like to mix the paints, you know. So like that's a machine right there that mix paint also. So so you put the paint right in there and it mix it. You just take it down. See, add color. Just add some color to it, you know, they shake it, it doesn't mix it. Just mix it right out to the color that you want.
Alright, Spanish brown now.
Yeah.
So this is Everglow.
Yeah, Spanish brown, low sheen.
Everglow accent.
So you have Jamaican brown? You have you have English brown? Oh no. I see why. Yeah. Like they have Spanish brown, they must have English brown as well too.
Maybe they have them in the overseas.
Overseas, yeah. So guys, so what do you say? English brown or the Spanish brown? Which one is it? So yes. How much?
12,310.
Alright then. 12,300. Should I go to the window now to pay?
Yeah, man, you can go to the cashier.
Alright.
It's just the Spanish brown you want, right? No,
I want to add something to it. Add where you can add to it now for charity.
I'm just going to add the color and sweet.
Okay, that is it. Just the color.
Can mark out Mr. Sutherland paint kit.
Alright. I'm calling me. Hold them.
Tell you. Easy with them idea.
That's how it'll work, you know. Alright. Roger, on it again. So guys, so you see what's going on now. So today this bathroom is definitely complete. Yes. Much better. Yes. Box them in and cook them in. Charge there, mix up some stuff. It's a box in and cook in now.
Yeah. If I can finish up all of this idea.
Yeah.
Strip it up and build, man.
They're supposed to. So I finish up this in idea now.
Yeah, man, I think we'll finish up there.
Of course. Up and running.
Setting on casino, so
Yeah.
with that, let's level off this.
Yeah. Can you take down back this?
No, I'm not take it down, you know.
Yeah, set it.
Yeah. Anything I put in, I put down over it.
Okay.
Pull back and over.
Yeah.
Move, you know?
Yeah,
Take down that problem.
yeah. Make it look neat now, this.
Yeah.
My kitchen one. One of this kitchen one look all them over there, see? Yeah, you can
Yeah, them they know, we know if you touch up them.
touch them here, yeah. Each of them up.
They call tight, Chargy.
Well, tight.
Tight like a virgin. I don't like that
You
now.
know the song we say, yeah, the whole
that's
like, yeah. Tight like a virgin. Touch for the very first time.
Yeah. This me. Here we, yo, charge it. Here we go on now. You know what I see? I want to stretch that insect there. Mix it with some sand. You know what I see, man?
No. Let me that tell you, so somebody wants
That's
What, the cement?
Yeah.
No, it's alright.
Yeah, no man about that. Say the one more than one back, Badger? More than one back, the one?
Not a matter of sense, you know. The one back can do, but if me have the sun now, I drop like a, when in the night, and do it.
Stretch it for
Do it cement and sand. To do them part of because you know it's stay through the wall now.
Yeah.
You know? So you don't stretch it. Charge me there so you can get a cement.
Yeah, man.
You know, get it more than I stretch it in the cement. Because I want this for tile, it's insect for tile and part.
Alright, so the cement go and get. So now I go to the kitchen go so hard.
Yeah, man, yeah.
We'll start the ball around now.
Yeah.
Wet Perfect. Oh. So.
Never deal with that today, Lord. I'm going to have to take a look at one and wash off.
You got to take wash off.
I'm going to study with the nested. Through the nested toaster. And through them use the stove,
Yeah.
the wood fire. It not dry. So I tell them, them know them have to go take out it. I make breeze blow in there. So you give the dry.
Oh.
And that's how going to some part dry, some not dry.
Yeah.
You know? And the door you have to keep open. Make it more wet. Because if you don't have to dry. You have to not dry. You have a inch much in it.
Real sticky about, man.
So you have to keep it open.
That's so long.
I wonder what kind of tinner the man
Tinner,
himself.
I got a tinner with themselves. Something like tinner.
Yeah, something go bad, them man.
Because if I say either the tinner.
Yeah, my tinner, man. Because can't pain.
Because outside.
Type of tinner with them gay.
Yeah.
I wonder if I reduce them gay or no.
A tinner, them give themselves.
Into that tinner.
The reducer. Remember last week when we asked her, wonder why I said that one day reducer.
Tap on the tinner, where it's in a tinner.
Yeah. So I tell him, say no, a tinner we want.
Yeah, because something wrong because it's supposed to dry already.
You say it was weak, you say?
Something like that.
Come say, see that say,
Yeah.
prefix something wrong.
You see that's a,
Yeah.
that's a dry.
Something with that tin there.
Yeah, what I got to do? You're not going to do Mary's. We'll try a charge. So I have to get some number one dinner. I'll like to white. No one day with pattern.
I just bring some tin a while ago.
No, when I tell them to do when they don't know some fire, take it out. The more breeze, back to it. Them are give the thinner with them have a pain.
I couldn't pain, the type of pain.
Something.
Yeah.
Time for me to go in the kitchen, so like a good thing Wormy is here. So, eh?
Tina is that thing where this man smell it and they put it out right, so it weak. I thought that's weak and
But all if it weak, that means you should have dry same way. Yeah, because remember thinner for us for dilute, you know. Yeah, so all if it weak, it's supposed to dry then easier. Jaja. See where they make up the fire already, wow.
I'm going to finish now.
You go swim, that's why.
Yeah, and they are see some chicken and them things, man.
People buy brownie, man. I used to cut down all the time, so man. I've been in a shot there.
So him the last.
I'm going to tell you.
The last, wow. Most last, him last. Can I shot the right there, sir?
Where?
It's right there, sir.
Some cigar that come from.
Somewhere's wow, go, man.
Man, go me use the key, the man that come from way around so with the brownie. Yes, so what that? That was hard to go. I'm going to say up the hill, I say shot there.
So you reach over there, sir, from up the hill?
No, man, come and go.
I say they go?
Yeah, I'm going right now.
No, she have to say up the hill, I go.
Different shop.
Go back outside, man. Go strong.
You got a different shop go on with our vibes. Yeah, ja.
Yeah, my boy down there. Oh, yeah, boy, I'm there, man.
Up there, so you have to go. Fight up at the hill. So this is a different way where me and the brown them one by one. So you know, so this well brown. We don't talk about an all-in-one.
Smooth and it go down, quick cook down, you know?
Don't it?
Quicker cook down.
You see the brown.
Take time, but you have to just have the time to do it, you know?
Yeah. You see the brown shapes are same at it. Right, them single.
You write it.
That's it, Dad. So I'm taking to try it one more time. Feel it off a bigger than a mustard seed, you know. Guys, I told you the rain was coming. The rain is here. Alright guys, so we're under the weather, and the pot, under the shelter.
Everything up there.
Yeah. So we have to put the pot under the the grill. Right, that's it there. Like chicken pot. Coconut milk, you know, say. No, we take out some to the fish. Where the fish pot there? Yeah, I bring the fish pot.
You just fuck up something right there on the thing, brother. How tell the put in my car?
Where? They pack it up in there, so everything the man them take out, brother. Baja!
Yeah.
Baja that take out the thing them as well too. Baja! Everything they take up to the shop, the pot them everything they take up though.
Yeah. Next anger pot. This anger pot. Everything we pack one place we take up. The next one up on the
Which take one? Where?
No,
man left the fish pot.
One place we
man left the fish pot.
Everything with the one place we take up, brother. Everything it never there beside that because it never there over that side, it there on the fridge top.
Everything is on the fridge top.
Everything. Come on, me take up the on the fridge top. Yeah, but me wash on the big. Yeah, but in the there beside, if it there beside it, me don't know if it move. Because of me going over take them up. So watch me now. You have to go use that.
You have to go use.
That you have to go use. You have to put the thing beside it because I will let me take up, bro. Yeah,
but
this man wash the pot to wash.
Yeah, but I tell you, every week the man left. Over. But yo, it nah leave. Listen now, it nah leave him weed, nah leave the grabber, and nah leave him special.
One special up front.
One special first thing that. But yo, every week the man leaves, man just now the man leave the pot to cook the fish, you know. Yeah.
But what man? That way I cut up in a boy,
yeah. We have to go utilize.
Still good, man. You know, sir, Mr. Baja, pack up something, swear pot in the jelly.
Every swear. You cannot swear when you pack up stuff them. Exactly, because everything pack up. What else am I going to live next week now?
Why? Because
but no, you believe the stove and the style.
Yeah.
And I say, yeah, I want it. I say, nothing to none of it.
Okay.
Because remember, if you got to really, you got to use the stove. I say, you're genius. You know, so you got to use the stove.
Yeah.
So we could have gone on to one.
He says, I get back.
He get back, he come back, he come for you know, stove. I mean, no, man.
You get the kitchen at that store.
Exactly, at place.
Yeah, I say, when we come in, give back the key.
Yeah, it's simple. You know, the man leave him leave the store. He try the case but it fail. Yo, remember me? Him try the case but it fail. Because it's too early for you to use that store there. You know, and she knows so we always borrow it as well to hear the man about you gotta leave the store and that style. When he left the store 30 grand, he forgot it. When they left it, he forgot it. Just like when forget the pot now for cook the fish now.
You know why here always make this happen?
Yeah, you know, 30 grand. So you have to go start try to assist him before we reach here because remember I don't you know?
Yeah, come here, Mr. Baja, talk something I say, yeah.
So you have to say Baja now to take them.
We don't know what go on. Just move something over say organize.
Exactly.
So if it's organized, we try for them, you don't move it. Yeah, that.
Yeah.
But next time we'll always double check.
Yeah, you know.
I reach up there and say, yo, God, Jesus.
Yeah. And that's always a go on.
You say, go and say, God, Jesus. I say, what go on? I say, I'm browning, man. No, man, Jesus, no, man.
And so me know.
Yeah.
Oh, me know now. Hey, oh, me know. Oh, me know. You see what I say? And you know I say a brown shoe, like a brown shoe. And
it's Jesus first, no.
me know.
It's Jesus, no, man.
Oh, me for know that. No, sir. You see when the man want to accept him guilt. Fling it past someone.
Yeah, I know. You see now that we know, say, at trend.
Yeah.
We have to go try and correct it.
We have to go correct it next time. Yeah, we can.
Make sure you say double check the next time.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Chella, all the stove the man left, you know. All the stove. But I wish him can leave the weed, the grabber, and the special. You know? Oh, where's the worm, you know? Nah, left that.
Me left them in the room.
Where? You never in the history.
The first thing that the cinnamon come out with this morning.
The special.
Cola.
Yeah.
With the special.
With the special. Yo, at the first thing that ever have in them hand. When anyone say, "Wow, chef, where's the badger?" Look special, the cup. Yeah.
Fine, not special.
Yeah. All the people that must start to special, I get tired of them now. So in my mind, if I pay a rum there.
No, man.
Where you say, all the money I put towards to run boat.
Yeah, man, a special half involved.
You say, I want a special.
Yeah, where are the engine? Are the oil that is for the engine?
No, it a class that. That's why nothing in the back.
Okay.
So my yaya can't fix that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fix anything. Man.
Yo,
Anything
right now.
Yeah.
That this try, we have to rebuild back something from scratch.
The tradition, man. So far, the steam, man.
No, sir. Watch out. Balance, man. Balance.
Genius, man.
Where I remember the day when the man leave the rum, the weed, that is a day. Them time them baptized.
No, I remember.
The day when them leave that, that's the day them baptized. Where? Every week, something leave. Every week. You know? I know I say Baja, I continue to make him go and pack. And we reach anything him left. We just know say I hit that.
Say from me come to the bucket and put it in the car with the water. Yeah, that I say. Go over the shop. I mean look round, and when I look round, I say everything they want to do. Like
Them move with vital, something like the strainer, the blender, the grater, the stove.
The stove, and now the frying pan. No, the frying pan.
Yeah.
Oh, your mind slip that. I imagine it is that thing where the man always. You know, say Baja, as you said, that trend, the habit becomes worse now because you're why. The man leaves something we always bring.
Yeah.
So it's like him have to leave something. He can't come here without. Yeah, him have to leave.
No, man, Baja, man, slip, man, come see, I bring it over.
Say the slide, he never slide. A slip and tights, man, and Brazil.
Yeah, man.
Something have to live. Are we going to leave next week? And then must pack everything out there.
Man, the special we have to make him.
Yeah. Yo, the day when him left that, I even the weed. No man, from
I when everything come up and still left.
boy, that's what I do last night. Cause me tell you for link thumper, I'm listening to the voice and say, yo, link thumper for the cold. Before. Can I clean it? And I meet the thumper down the road and call him.
No, that's somebody tell me this man would have gone to clinic. Somebody go down the road.
Last night.
Last night.
Yeah, too.
Yeah, man, Jesus, you have time now, no?
Italian spy.
One Del Piero, man. What I call with my name right now, alone, you know? What I call you? Hey, white mouth, don't start, no?
Alright, we'll go back. Now put no more on there. Yeah. It's a wow moment because under the business. Oh, if a time consume over this thing, you know. It's a regular day. I worry them far in mind. Watch if I think about New York and leave the pot. It does again. New York, the man I think about, you know.
Straight, twice.
So wait there.
Yeah.
And bring the salt.
Yeah, salt in the back. And cook for salt. Pot now, man, now. Back of the salt, the dead man. And we see the chicken in the thing. Look and see them.
Nah, let's do the 5 pound alone. Cause yeah. Cause less people this week. So I'll do the 5 pound. Where is the start? So this week we have less people.
Anything we move it, that's all we see a move it up anything.
Yeah. What's it? I believe I make it stay too long this time. Where's the clock them all?
Oh, them there, man. See them in the bag. Ask the phone. Come on.
Alright, I don't trust this.
Oh, it takes up. Oh, you didn't catch up.
So, pumpkin. No, you ask for anything more. You hear me?
Yeah, man,
So, if you look and you say anything, you know the thing go.
Yeah.
You there for ask him. Yeah, that's it right there. You hear me? Yeah, cause anything when you see, anything when you see left. You hear me? Anything you don't see, left.
We never ask for the ketchup, that's why.
Huh?
We never ask for the ketchup still.
Pumpkin are too rich. Alright, so right over there, row the boat, guys. Row the boat. Wow. Freak.
Get the pumpkin in the flour and it's yellow. No white you're not supposed to see.
The guy will tell us that we're going to get some rain. You know, and really did happen. Wow. Quick and fast. Oh shit. Where me?
Where you are?
It's getting on time.
Them there, send her back, man.
Take out some skeleton time for me and wash it off for me, please. No, more than that. Yeah. Coconut milk boiling up now, guys, so you know the thing though. Electrician walk the river. Electrician walk the river. So the sun come out bright like it never rain. So I go and worm patch around here. Worm searching for the grave, you know. Searching for the body. You want to catch up?
You want to catch up? You want to see my dog on the pumpkin.
Well, the sun is out, the sun is out, the sun is out. So, the sun is out, guys. The rain was here, and now the sun is out. You know. So, I guess, hopefully the water and the rain to affect prefect up there with the paintings. You know, so I'm still going up there, go circle after I drop these dumplings in the pots. You know. Get out of here. You two. You two, Brown, and go. Baja. In there. How you walk up so?
Put your shoulder and come down.
Who? Baja. Baja. Charge here. Baja, scrub feet.
Ready?
The chicken I go extra sweet when the pumpkin is sit down on the beat. You know, Jella? Talk to them, man. I was at the ground chef I deal with it. Sweet. Eat it off, you have to carry one piece of it. They say one dumpling jelly you fry up.
One, give me four.
Yeah.
It's so nice, man. You never know what's body when you fry it.
The next day, right?
Yeah, man. The wickedest thing.
Yeah.
Every time that I go on after them here.
So Jella, we have no guests today, so you can get enough dumplings.
Yes, today, so I'm supposed to get at least 8. That bill for bacon.
Hey. Jella said there's no guest, but I just said at least you can get 8 dumplings today.
Yeah, she's right. Food is here to eat. It's all about
8
dumpling.
Yeah.
Jella and a competition.
And the pumpkin chicken.
And the pumpkin chicken.
Yeah, man, chicken cooking down with the pumpkin stew. So, yeah, man. The pumpkin chicken.
Don't know what it is. The time. I would have cooked them there.
I can't this one. Yeah, man, see, I can't. Where?
Where over this one? The other one.
No, man, we bring a pack of cup, you know.
Yeah, man, I look for it. That's not it. That's the one we take where we leave long time. That's a smaller cup, yeah.
Time for me to put in the dumplings now. This is Sparks missed the day when him could have get at least 10. Yeah.
And they eat no food.
Well, them say once 16. Then him see some guests come bring down to 10. When the amount of guests will come now, it have to move from 10 go to 6. And the amount of additional boy it have to go down to 4. Yeah. Yeah. And today now when him could have get it, he's not there. So you see guys, now I'm cooking 6 pounds of flour. There's not enough mouth to feed. Yeah. And it's a rainy day, so you know rainy day dumpling are the best dumpling, you know. So you have the dumpling chef with the ground chef, you know. At first we're gonna try it as well too, so. I remember I met them and a chef.
Yo.
I'm cool. They make it
cold beer and them climate ocean.
They make it go and put on, man. They make it go and put on, man. Mr. Bring it. I purposely done that. So them can eat now, eat later, and eat tomorrow. Okay, now we have to go send. If we bring back food where boom them can get as well too. And you know Gingin always a put in him order to get some of these food whenever we come up here to cook. So we always look out for him as well too. You know, and boom, always look forward to get at least something whenever we cook up here, because you know boom have to go to work. You know, so and then I have to make as much so for you guys that's watching can also get some, you know, by watching through your TV. You know, I'm gonna send you some out of the plate. You know, so.
Yeah, but here is 2 cold one and get 2 hot one for you. It's the cheapest. 150 for jelly juice. So I leave about the 50 with the 250 I want to 2 majorities and take that, yeah.
So guys, so let me go and deal with these, you know, and then I'll get back to you when I finish. Yeah. Okay, I know this is gonna be a while, you know, to make these wicked and wild. Five, 6 pounds of flour. Right now, not the rain. Then I'm gonna eat them. When the rain and shower. Bring home some for myself as well too. You know, guys, this is so nice when you fry them the next day. When you fry these, whoa, it's nice. So get back. And the rain is back again. The rain is back. Right now we have nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Everywhere a leak. And now we know this place is leaking. No, sir. Hurricane rock. There is nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Look, we're flooding out. Right out. We're flooding out. Look. No? I don't know where to put it. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Wet though. All the coconut pot. That's a leak. Touch all my head a leak. Blood. Everywhere a leak, guys. All leaking. Right here, never designed for that. Look, the first time I've been here, it's raining. So while we're here cooking. First time ever. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Everything I wet up. The whole place wetting up. Water come in my room. To sweep out some with a broom.
Water come in my room. Up in there, you know?
Yeah.
Up in there, what you know? What's the roof? Be a water that come to the roof right now, you know? But we're not broom to sweep out none.
No.
No broom that ever sweep out none.
Watch it.
We sweep out some with my broom.
Watch your house a leak.
Tell a dog laugh, the sea catch a fun, and the river run down with the spoon.
Run down with the spoon.
The river down with the spoon.
Don't it? Look, room. All the pot everywhere leak.
Every mother giving dog a thing a leak.
Everything I leave. See there? We don't have nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. But we ain't running leave the pot. And that the rain want. Mad? The jella? You not running leave the pot.
Mad! Run with the pot.
Run with the pot. That's it. No, sir.
Yeah, man. Right, man.
Leaking.
I'm going to get the roof up and running and all the set.
Yeah. No, sir, the storm there. Yeah, look at this guy, the period. Whoa. Oh, but look now, the river come down, you know. The water change. But the water them there. Okay. The coal. I saw what that. Oh, chef. The coal are wet up. The coal. Look at that, the river is gonna come down. You not reach it? How was that? So how was that in the bag there? And a cool. Oh. Watch what's going on the river come down. Turn cross it. Oh no! So from you see the water start to change colour. Yeah, the water start to change colour. When it start to get rougher. You see? It's pulling up. But running down from the hill. So guys, we're here to witness the river coming down. And the pot are boiled down. You know the rain with there. Outside with there. Tell Andrew Allness we're not going inside. We're outside. With the dumpling I got itch up in the mouth side. So guys, we're outside with the dumpling. I got itch up in the mouth side. Now the rain with it. Oh chef, run God. No, look on the river now, Jellet, I get more and more. But now I run left my pot. Now I run left my pot. He said, me nah run left my pot. No. Me I go stay and watch that. Nah run left me pot. Me nah run left me pot. Nah run left me pot. Me I stay and watch that till the pot in land. All my pot I wash out. No sir, but we are leaking a jelly. It's getting serious now. It's getting really serious, Jella. And guys, Jella not leave her pot. It's getting serious and Jella not leaving her pot. Right, Jella? Jella is not leaving. We're not leaving. We're staying right here. Nah, run left the pot. You nah run left the pot. Whoa, chef, and where me do that? Them run left them pot, but me nah run. All the river come down. You know what, Jella? Them run down, we have dumpling to sell. You ready? You ready? Go, you ready? Yes, sir. Eh? Are they eating there? No, sir. You have nowhere to go. Nowhere to hide. Nah run left me pot. Nah run left me pot. Nah run left me pot. Me a fear to left pot really. I hope this a collapse to the door, Jella. So watch a roof here. No sir. The breeze now blue, right? Yeah, the roof is full of so much belly. You look at belly in this roof. No sir. Yeah. I'm fix it up quick and fast. I forgot to do that. Water come in at my room. No, not my room this. At the kitchen. We really don't have no ease up. Whereas the river come down, look at the color. Chocolate. The worst thing is there, the man have run down our next shop. But it looks like it will come down. Yeah, the two shop them have come down. Yes, yeah. The pot I got taste good. Watch the river really come down now, Nigeria. Alright guys, so we're back on it. You know, the rain kind of slowed down the coal. You know, cool up the coal, wet up the coal, so I've just have to put some fresh coal inside to get the pot rolling back again. So the rain kind of calmed down. The rain calmed down. You know me? Nana come check in. Nana, my soldier. Now, excuse me. Don't want to touch me.
Why?
Alright, me have to go flick back the switch right there, so no. Yeah. So now the rain kind of heat them, but look on the river. Oh, chef, run for shelter. Oh, chef, run for your shelter under one place what? What tumble down, look now?
Oh, look at the whole place I come down and move on every step. To get some quality and fix up the place, brother. That's what I say. Oh, yeah, some look at shelter for now, you know. I say, yes, love now.
Yeah. So guys, look. Swim. Eh? The pool around there down. Well, it's not. So guys, so this is not, it's not so bad after come down, you know, just a little dirty water, but have a little force with it, but this is not the full effect. Yeah, this is not the full effect. Because the full effect, the whole of these places have been covered. The whole of this place, but the water does come just dirty. We have a little bit of force and dirty. But you have to look out for when it's coming down heavy. Whoa! I want go on. Help him. What go on? Yo, we miss it a while ago. Yo, Jenna, how you ask me, Jesus, what happened, Jesus? Alright, watch him. But listen up. When me I come down, yeah, I notice that this is a little slide, so some should have come. So I'm gonna step there, I step over there. So why would you step there?
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, do it again, me see. Do it again, me see. Yeah, yeah, do it again, me see. Do it again, me see. Yeah. Oh, shit, we're gonna do it again, yo. We're going. Check your back. Because rest your back done not good already, you know. Check your back if you lick it up.
Come down and turn them to one, man. Go from the next and go someone.
Hey, frightened. Worship the genius, how happened? I said, genius, how was something a while ago? Yeah, the man said, I was going a while ago. I drop your drop, man. That's what happened a while ago. It seems like you want to try it again. You can try it again, man. Nana, what happened, Nana? Talk, you see? Talk, see, man. Hey. Yo, remember your boom, boom, boom. Man said, genius, I was going a while ago. The man said, genius, I was going a while ago. Like, me don't know, I don't see a drop. Yeah, no star, yo. That drop that different. Oh, Chef, I was going a while ago. Boom, 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 boom. No, sir. Eh? Yeah, man, like me dropping the man like genius. I walk one a while ago. I walk one. And I look at me like him want to cry. It was a genius. I walk one a while ago. I walk. Like we do. Yeah, for real, yeah. Jella, you know, some I walk down here, so I'm gonna say that, but I would step on it. Make sure I step on the side over there. But I know why worship. Exactly.
I just even
As him want to step there.
I'm test it.
Avoid the tree.
Yeah, up by the tree. Jella, I see the walk. So when I go this way, Jella, I go so. So you see it, I go all the way that side there and go off. You see me? Because I know it's wet. But worship see it and still go out there and feel like I'm worse in bare feet. I don't get that. Then I ask me what go on a while ago. Yeah, I drop, I that go on.
Drop, I that go on. When you drop me now, I go on. I drop me down.
Yeah man, worship, that is for leaving the pot. Yeah, like him wants a genius, they push me down. You know, what go on a while ago? The genius, what go on a while ago? I got me make it drop. No sir. Hey, I want the new man I drop and I ask me what go on. And I mean at the stone for ask.
Yeah man, I
just ask the stone.
I walk on a while ago.
Hey, Thumper Cole is very stubborn. You know what I mean? Yeah man, boil pot, boil. Some making oil. Cheers. Yeah man, over there man, the blazing by the gas stove coal. Turn it up and turn it down. Yeah. Turn it up and turn it down, man. Which is extra work. You know, Thumper gonna chop all of these over Maypen Cemetery. Guys, the man who buy this coal from him will chop these wood stick by the Maypen Cemetery. So you know, so they dump with them, say, yo, oh, no fire now blaze. Yo, where me? I walk one a while ago. Hey, I walk one a while. At the new top man, walk one a while ago.
Walk on a while ago.
That more no. The fanning talk, fan it. They might use it around here, so. Well, if you have fun, do cool, boy. The cool, you have lazy. Not even daisy, no lazy, so. I wish you just have a baby. Lazy is not that lazy. Daisy is not that lazy. Alright guys, so left the pot to go and struggle because the fire, the coal I give you a warm time. You know, this time the coal is not so wonderful, so we're gonna check out and so I'm going up here on the project to see how they're doing. Oh yeah. Toko, what's in that bag? Porridge.
I go down there and come back.
You're going to go and come back? Alright then, go on Toko. Alright then. Oh, guys, look at this. This looks nice. Look at this. This looks nice. No joke, I like this. I like the Spanish brown at the bottom. Look at the beauty. Wow. Tell me what you think. with the Spanish brown and the pink with the purple. This look nice. Nice, 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 nice. Bring off the house. Yeah man, the Spanish brown they bring off the house. They really, really do. So this is called Spanish brown. So as you can see, it really literally bring off the house color as well too. Yeah. Alright, the finished prefect. I think I run out of paint. The rain. Spanish brown look nice.
Yeah, man.
Look.
When the work that's so wet, I'm gonna eat some more better, you know?
Yeah. It look nice around there, so. Yeah.
Some more want it for you. Don't want it look that way.
Yeah, it look nice, man.
Yeah, man. That's the right color, you know?
Yeah, the Spanish brown. Yes. Nice look, man.
This one left, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
As far as you can try.
Yeah. I'll leave back some just in case when the day come.
Yeah, no.
For the opening.
Yeah.
If any spots left for us brush out little.
Yeah, when we do just the actual one too.
Look nice, man, I like it. Yeah.
I'm gonna put it out there, say what? You just find it.
Yeah, man, Spanish brown.
I said, but I want this for my wall.
Don't it?
Yeah, man.
Spanish brown.
Just my wall. A color, yeah.
Yeah.
Just love it.
Nice, man.
Right color, man. And I see it. Blend me in with that.
With the house color. Yeah. Cause it by me say match the pink. Good as well with even the purple.
You find it, man.
Yeah.
Find that one day, you know?
Badger tell me about it, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, Badger. Hey, only if you didn't know, could have a brown upon the skirt in them.
What? Not to that good, you know?
No. Brown upon the skirt in right there, so.
Let's say, when I come back, I can do it.
Yeah, put it brown. Yeah, put it.
You know? Yeah, right.
Right around it,
Right,
with the brown.
Yeah, man.
That get a different look.
Get that look there.
Yeah.
I say, it's out there, sir.
Yeah. To get that look there, man. Spanish brown. Guys, in ready to get prefect the contract. You know?
Yes,
Jaw ever open. No, sir.
Yes, I know. Through the rain too, and the high.
Yeah.
Yeah, paint it today. Guys.
Yeah, you know have to do it today.
Through the place. The one that. You see that paint there. So it can dry.
Yeah. Kids. Yeah, no, mark up already. Yeah. Charge, you take a looking in. Or just them looking in. Boy, the Spanish brown look nice on the outside, the badger.
Yeah.
The bathroom even bossy here. Charge it. Bathroom look bossy. And a bossy B, a bossy E. Yeah. It's bossy E.
Much pink, much purple.
Yeah. Yes. Right, boy. Boy, me I say, oh, chef, get a piece of drop out there.
Oh, where I say?
The man, she said the stone slippery down. And this I walk down into the badger. I want him drop here, man. Genius, I walk one. I walk one. You mean I look up on the ground in the pan. Genius, I walk one. When him I say that, but we never catch the drop. I still see him after him drop or flicker on the camera. And then they go long in his face like him want to cry. Genius, how what go on? How what go on? So you ask me what go on your job. In frightened till him have to ask me what go on, like can't believe him job.
I don't know if you see what go on.
Yeah.
You feel catch it.
No, but listen up. Me see the rack, you know, because no part like you go towards Boomer from the kitchen.
Oh, down the side.
Yeah, it have to slow up and slide in. So, yeah, but me sit and me step round it. But in the side now, him not have no shoes as well, so I'm going to step right on top of it. Me say, yo. What?
And then him unbalance and then liquor, you know.
Me say, yo, when them drop me in the pan, Genius, what go on? Eh? What go on? Me say, you ask me what go on? Yeah, man. Yeah, I like the place is turning out to be wonderful, you know, all over. Take the pressure off charge and say, alright then, that is it. So after now, when you done, the next time I will come deal with the ceiling, get the Solitex and come deal with the ceiling. After the ceiling.
Not paint them for put them up or Not paint them for put them up.
No? I put them up man and paint them a quick slab of dash cross that man.
I want to paint that I use.
And then now we just make the color around us for the tank and the pump. Because when time of the house opening, water run. You know? Yeah. So why should I drop that for you left the pot? Yo, people the man coming out of the pot, you know, all the stove the man coming out, you know. And then hear him now, oh, you know, you got to say you use the stove. I say, if you got to tell you that, you would have tell me, say, you got to use the stove. So we could at least go and look at different stove. He never tell you nothing till he reach up here and realize, say, yeah, man. I guess which part the man left? The fish part. The fish part, the pot. And now leave the weed and now leave the grabber, you know, and the rum.
The rum, the man. Yeah, that's special, man. Can have there.
Cheers. Yeah, no, I ask Baja. You see? I'm going to say,
see next time, when we leave out, we make sure check.
We have to go check.
You have to love to check.
Ask them to say, yeah, there.
We make sure we check everything that works. Hey.
You need him?
That guy said you want no matter. Right now, I don't have him too.
Alright guys, so you see the bathroom looking beautiful. As I can see the kitchen counter where bathroom already did. You know, for who did miss it. You know, this is the kitchen counter. You know, looking nice. All them have to do is just maintain it because this is easy clean, you know, so whenever they cooking, just clean as you go. You know, clean as you go. So slowly but surely we get in there. Wait there, charge, you have a leak right here. This is a leak. This need to sort out. That's a leak there. That need to patch and over here as well too. That's a leak. That need to patch. Call 30 grand. And here so as well too. Charge, you having some leak spot. Charge, you have some leak spot.
Yeah, that
in our kitchen.
I'm going to fix that one,
Yeah, we'll get some patch. I've got to remind me if I go buy a patch. Yeah, because see the one in the kitchen and the one, you have one right here, so. Stop leak, yeah, the stop leak. That one, yeah. And in the kitchen you have two. Yeah. And that one there, yes, a tree. Yeah. So I have to get the stop leak. And as you go up and patch every hole up there. Every nail hole. I'll buy the stop leak when I come back next time. Bring the stop leak also.
Ask you. I'm bad at
Yeah, forget the stop leak. You feel like you can find back them hole, eh?
Yeah, man, because when you go up there,
You'll see, right?
cover every nail hole and never saw them.
Yeah, yeah.
When you go up there, you see them.
Otherwise, you know, you will cast your Solitex early. Yeah. So I get it when I come back next time. Alright, go back to my kitchen. No. Yeah. Bring up the whole place. Much, yeah.
Much better.
There, so I look point at me and say, "Lord, the thing does look nice." Yeah. Nice, man, nice.
You about charge it about 3 more time coming.
That's what I said, but I'm not on the bicycle.
Alright guys, so sharing time. Sharing is caring. When you share, you care. Alright, Nana, sharing is caring. Well, I'm stretch a party for me the place.
Please, thank you. Very
If I will me have camera down there for you. Yeah. For Chelsea win 5-2. Yeah. Chelsea win 5-2.
5-2. Chelsea win 5-2.
I lucky them lucky, Silver Ripper. I'm lucky, man. 30 grand say, yo, I might win it. Him say, I might win it. He might win Champion League. Yeah? 30 grand, what is some of there? Yeah. Oh, Hiya, who? This one here? No. One, I always chef make the man fish look say, you know. Don't worry, man, one of your fault.
What to it?
Yeah. Our chef don't bring the original pot guys, you know, so.
Eat the best, so make it work, you know?
Yeah. So the man make it work. Utilize. No, the man come. So me the one piece of fish in yours? I'm bad, I got one piece of fish. I'll try so far the fish can reach. Fish mash out, bust out.
Big sandwich.
Like, oh, it's a desert. Yo, but I'm not giving you the wink.
No, I'm not for you.
But me I give you the wink.
Hold it, and when I say,
Yeah.
because when I tell me, you say, I'll City win.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm thinking, man, work with it, you know. For the whole of them are gone, fish. Oh, good tailor. Good thing that I wink. Yes, that I make it work, you know. Make it work.
Ready for the corner here.
What up, sir? Yeah, man. Ready now. Ready now. Oh yes, big bag that one. You can't take up on me. Take up here when you want to.
Hey, stop it. Remember to talk about
You take it anyone, man. Yeah. Arias. Take that one.
I want mine.
Yeah, what is?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Try and get it. How go on, genius? How go on? Wow.
Rajasthan. Last call. Not yet that don't tell us a number one, tell you if it's a joking. I tell him, Baja. Eh? Come on him, no. Yeah. He's number one.
Ripper.
Why is it up there?
Drop your one, drop again. I got ask me what go on.
Can sell them stone there, come and fill one,
Kerisha. Good. Give her that.
They will father want to go up.
Call a bad boy there.
In a bag.
In a body, good. Eh? You said go on. I don't say not bad, but I good. The flour. Hey.
Yeah, mom.
When you hear Baja say, your mother want a gun.
Slap for mom.
Want a gun. And they want
right now, nothing left left.
Yeah. Remy, what you saying?
Bad is flour then. Thing mixy, mad.
Yeah.
Flour. Pumpkin flour.
Aye.
No one more call me flour. Pumpkin flour.
Don't it? In coconut milk. And the 130 got one turn off my stove early. Yeah, me have to say, put on that. Can't turn off my stove early, you have to charge you one. Oh, yes.
You know me get three.
How come?
Uncle.
Well, we have flour in it for boom and ginger at 6.
Tom say you're wicked.
Yeah.
You know Tom say you're wicked.
Yes, sir. Back up. Jella. We make them bigger. Mind the train and the platform. Nothing you like it. Yeah, Baja, brush off all the chin I eat.
Everything I eat right now, brother.
Everything I eat. I am telling the man, I'm saying, through the rain I fall, that one year I got tough. And the rain part, the rain I fall out there, so I wash away. Yeah, today I wash away.
Jella, last beer flour. Last beer flour. They want in the bag.
Whoa, chef. You know, spare flour.
Right now, everything I enjoy this food.
Everything's done right now, right?
No extras. No leftover. No leftover.
Jella give a blink there.
No, don't bring a meat alone. Me get.
There's one thing like this I'm going to touch down now. A straight flour me I eat. Straight flour me I eat.
Right, me carry away from
Yeah, carry them on the dream.
You don't need meat, man. Don't need no, man.
Right, so we go down with it.
So mommy, I go to bring up that one.
I've seen this still, you know.
It's a sin.
Yeah,
A rain drops left back.
Them don't even drink water, bro. Nah, man, I come from water, man.
Alright guys, so yeah man. Eh? Okay. Do we have there now? No, oh yeah. Alright guys, you know the thing so I'm gonna feast now, you know. The money might enjoy for them. So my time for go enjoy mine.
More than me put the pan.
Yeah man. I'm pretty big.
Remember you me early make sure I get that one.
Kiddy show on the water the mommy too.
I don't remember the story.
I should left out the store. People tell them say? You tell them.
Food I can't eat once, it can eat twice. Yeah, man. But boy, you know it's going to eat twice, because the once.
Yeah. Food bad man. The rain man. Actually the rain that fall.
Something special going on that one, brother.
The rain.
Eh?
The rain. The rain. Eh?
We are making fast.
The rain bring the blessings, man.
This nice and it's good for them.
But guys, you see? No matter how much dumpling you cook, just meat I go slap. So 6 pounds of flour, I'm gonna make it well thick. You say fine. Alright guys, we're gonna move out, you know. That was wonderful. Went right down.
Come on, come on, somebody will put them up there, something to you know. Talker, what's your name?
Yes guys, that food was wonderful. You see that rain there? Food even tastes even better. Me and Worm in the kitchen, hey, we'll make it work.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.